Most people somewhere on their website are going to have a YouTube video of sorts. And so in this video on YouTube, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video on a Squarespace website. That was a lot of times saying YouTube video, but I'm going to keep it really simple and show you how to embed a video simply onto any page that you want. So you join me on the by Crawford website here, and you can see I've already got a YouTube video in here. Now, let's imagine we want to do this on a new page. So we'll go in here, we'll add a new page, and we'll start with a blank page. And we'll just call this one YouTube Embed. Now, if I go into the page editor and I click on Add Section, we can add a simple blank section in here. Now, we click Add Block, and then we look for video. So click on video, and then size it to, whatever we want. And then we're going to go to YouTube. And so we're on the by Crawford YouTube channel here. Let's say I want to embed this AI video. So what I'll do is grab the link, and you can grab the link from here. So anything after there just becomes like the channel. So channel, and then sometimes it will add like timestamps on. But basically you just want anything before the ampersand. So copy that, and then we're going to click add video, add from link, so we can add YouTube or Vimeos from a link. Click on here, paste the video. Squarespace is going to look for it. It's found and ready for use. So we click on add, and there you can see the video is in there. Then you can add a custom featured image, so you can add your own thumbnails to these, and you don't have control over any of this, unfortunately, because that is only for when you upload a video directly into the Squarespace website. So all you'll be able to do is add the video, and if you want to add a custom thumbnail on there, you can add a description. So if you want to add that in, you can see it comes up underneath as well. So once you're happy, obviously you can size it to whatever you want. Make sure you go into mobile down here and just size that and put that wherever you want. So click, drag, okay, great, happy with this. Hit save, and the video is in. Now you can also do it by clicking embed. So if I just bring this down a bit here, I can add a block, and then I can add embed here. So let's drag this down like so. We'll make it the same size. Double click on the embed block, and you can see we've got link here. Paste the link again. It's going to look for the content. You can add the custom featured image and the description exactly the same. Doesn't really make a difference. Someone correct me in the comments if I'm wrong in terms of does it actually make any difference whatsoever. But there are two ways to do this. So once you're happy, either way, hit save, wiggle it about, all good. And that's that. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.